Alrighty, y'all, those are just my Oreo limited edition firecracker pop down into the bottom of my springform pan. Now I'm coming in with my Kroger limited edition. This is a red, white, and blue frozen dessert. Look how vibrant these colors are. And we really haven't had this out of our freezer long at all, but it is really hot where we live today. It's 109 degrees already, y'all, because we live in the desert. So that's why we need a dessert like this to keep us cool for the summer anyway. And I'm just gonna start scooping some scoops in here. We've got kind of a plan for this. And this red, white, and blue from Kroger is the best Patriotic ice cream I've found so far this year. I've used it for 3 different little desserts so far. It's only $2.50 for this whole quart or pint. Quart, yeah, I was right the first time. And you could get yourself like a red, a white, and a blue ice cream. We're finding that a blue ice cream is kind of hard to come by. There are some that are like kind of like Cookie Monster themed. They've got a little bit of cookies in them. Cool. But yeah, this tastes really good. It's 3 distinct flavors. And yet it's all in 1 quart, and it's all just $2.50, which we love. All right, this is a fun part where you can customize it. I'm gonna put some white chocolate chips. I'm kind of keeping with this red, white, and blue theme in here. Perfect. And I'm gonna do some freeze-dried strawberries. Freeze-dried strawberry pieces around. I think that'll be really cool. Now I'm just gonna take my smaller cake plate, and I kind of want to push. I want to make sure like I'm pushing out my ice cream so it's kind of filling in those gaps, going all the way out to the edge and creating an even layer on top. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna stick this in my freezer for a couple hours because we want it to be real solid, but we are not done. I'm gonna show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, guys, our cake has actually been in the freezer overnight, but I'm gonna start with some white melting chocolates, and I am just going to get these melted up in 30-second increments. I'll show you what we're doing next. Alrighty, guys, our ice cream cake was in the freezer for several hours. So what I'm gonna do now is pour my melted white chocolate kind of all over the top here. And you can also, if you want, use just the magic shell. No, we're just gonna give this some tilts to get it kind of spread all the way around. And what you can do is if you don't feel like it's like freezing and stopping fast enough, you can always stick it back in the freezer. But I feel like the cool of this cake is really already kind of like hardening up our chocolate as we go. All right, we're just gonna put some red and blue sprinkles right on here. Look how pretty. And now for the final reveal. Check out our gorgeous Patriotic ice cream cake. Perfect for the 4th of July. Y'all gotta try it.